You've established your online home, and now you're looking to bring in more customers to your virtual front door. Let's discuss some ways of doing that using search engines, other websites, social media, and email. But first, Rachel, the owner of Rachel's Kitchen, takes us through some of hers.
We use a number of marketing channels as part of our online marketing, including paid search, social and also email marketing. We use paid search for our core products as well as to highlight calendar-based events, for example, Valentine's Day and Mother's Day. We use social together with email campaigns, particularly to engage with existing customers, getting them to interact with social media, leave us lots of feedback, post pictures of how their cupcakes arrive and people's reaction, which is fantastic because it's great for feedback for us that we're doing a good job. And equally, those customers then act as ambassadors for our products.
How are you going to get your customers to find you online? There are a few ways that you can do this using digital. Let me start with search engines. When people type something in a search engine, they're letting it know exactly what they are looking for. If you offer relevant services and products, search engines will show your business in the search results. Now, there are two main ways you can use search engines. We've got lots of info to share on both. The first is search engine optimization, or SEO, which helps you promote your business in the unpaid search results. The second is search engine marketing, or SEM, which lets you buy ad space in the search results. SEO is all about getting your site in front of the right people who are searching for your products and services. Now, there are lots of ways to do this, and we'll explain them in detail later on, but the key is knowing what words people actually type in. The keywords. These are the most relevant words to your business. Understanding these will help you improve the way you show up when these words are actually searched. SEM, on the other hand, is when businesses pay to advertise to people searching for specific keywords online. Most major search engines use an auction system, where lots of different businesses compete to show their ads by bidding on the keywords that they actually like to target. Search is a great way to reach people, but we do lots more on the internet. We read news, we check sports scores, we browse recipes, we watch videos, and generally we browse lots and lots of interesting content across the web. Alongside all of this content, you might see ads. This is called display advertising. Display ads appear everywhere online, and they come in many different formats like text, images, videos, and ads you can click on and actually interact with. They can be a great way to get your message out there, and you're also able to choose the people that you want to see your ads, and the web pages and the websites that you actually like to appear on. Social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, or Google+ give another option for boosting awareness of your business, and they're especially useful for building relationships with customers. On most networks, you'll create pages or profiles for your business. You can connect with lots of people by starting meaningful conversations and sharing content you've created, whilst growing your business's online social presence. Before we wrap this up, let's not forget one pretty important way businesses can use digital: email marketing. We're not talking about junk email or spam that clutters up your inbox, but sending relevant information and offers to people who've already said they'd like to hear from you. You can get people to sign up or opt in to receive emails from you. Then the rest is up to you. You can send coupons to people who have made an appointment on your site, maybe advertise a special event, or promote sale items. Knowing all the ways you can find people online and knowing how they can find you can help launch your business big time. The more types of digital marketing you try, the more opportunities you'll have to reach your most valuable customers, wherever they happen to be in the digital world.